Good day viewers. Today what we've got is a gaming PC. It's a gaming laptop. It's a Razer Blade gaming PC. It's AMD. I'm not so sure what the specs are, so don't hold me to that one. I'll have to find that one out. But yeah, in this video we're going to be replacing the GPU fan because that one seems to be a little bit noisy in the bearing, seems to have gone on it. So we're just going to turn it on so we can sort of hear the sound it's making. And if you're new to the channel, then please like and subscribe. We've got new content coming out every week, so yeah, just be sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and more fun videos. But yeah, back onto the teardown. So we're just going to remove all the crosshead screws that are on the back of it. There's 10 of them. Once they're removed, it should just pop off. Just be sure to make sure there's no cables underneath it that are going to hold it. They're going to tear when you lift it up. And yeah, once that's lifted, you'll notice that there's two fans on here. The one on the left is the GPU fan, the one on the right is the CPU fan. Both of them were clogged up and dirty and dusty as anything, but with that one, what I've done is I've just cleaned them both out. I've given them a good blast through, and yeah, the GPU one's still noisy, so what I'm having to do is I'm having to replace it. So just remove the two screws that hold the fan to the chassis. Once they're removed, unplug the fan, and then you'll be able to just remove it out. There is a little bit of tape over the fan and the copper heat sink, so just remove that if you want to pull it out. And now we've got that removed, we've just put the new fan in its place, plug it in, screw it down. Because there's so little screws, I'm just going to screw it down and then I'm just going to test it. A, it stops the fan flapping about, and B, it just means it's in place. Like I said, it's two screws, so if it doesn't work I can just undo them and unplug it. But just going to give it a little spray with the old air, get any last remaining bits of dust out that I can. And yeah, after a jolly good test on that, the fan doesn't seem to be making any noise, so nice easy job for that one, nice quick video. But yeah, thank you very much, have a great day.